So the question we're going to look at here is, can Chinese honey locust help treat cancer? And this is a really interesting question because this is both a culinary and a medicinal herb, especially known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which are significantly powerful and in and of itself can help be cancer preventing. But it's also being studied very closely because there's growing evidence that the hull of the fruit could enhance the chemotherapeutic drug, specifically of cisplatin. Now, cisplatin is a platinum-based chemotherapy, and it's used particularly for testicular, ovarian, and bladder cancers. And this is a really cutting-edge, but increasingly common approach to treating cancers of any kind, where more and more and more the appreciation is expanding that you can make your cancer treatment much more effective by introducing diet, herbs, supplementation. And it's got to be done in the care of a doctor because you want to make sure of what you're doing. But these therapies worked in conjunction to one another are supporting. And what that means is that you are reducing potentially the amount of chemotherapy that might be needed, which has significant side effects that can be damaging to the body or create unpleasantness. And the herbs and supplements and natural approaches can help counter that or help keep the system steady and strong. And in some cases, you might not be able to reduce the chemotherapy. You may not want to. When you've got a serious diagnosis and you've got a cancer that's fast growing and is at an advanced stage, you want to get in there and get rid of it as fast as you can. And these therapies are much more sophisticated now than they've ever been before. And now being able to add in these other natural, if you will, approaches, you're building on that foundation. So it's incredibly powerful. Some of the hull of the fruit has also been used for treating lung cancer, and a water extract made from these thorns, which are also known as spines, have been found to significantly suppress what's known as PC3 prostate cancer cell migration, at least in vitro. So there's more work that needs to be done, but it is showing that certainly with the drug cisplatin, that the effects of combining it with this plant, that what Chinese honey locust does is help increase the likelihood that the cancer can't grow and that it can't grow as fast, which means it's not spreading, which means you've got a significant edge on containing what's already taking place in someone's body. So this is big news and well worth paying attention to and checking with your doctor about whether it's this herb, which is just being studied, but there's a lot of others that have been studied at length and can already step in and help balance out some of these very significant therapies that by the nature of the illness that's disrupting your body already come in with sort of big guns, if you will, and can be balanced out more and help you stay feeling better through it and help you recover faster.